Good afternoon, everybody. It is Dr. Grant here with Foundation Chiropractic. It's been a little while since I jumped on and did a Facebook video, so I wanted to see if I could reconnect with you guys and answer a couple questions. One question I heard recently is regarding the popping or the cracking sound that we hear when we are administering the adjustment. So when we do an adjustment, we're putting force into a joint, right? A joint is comprised of two bones and then a space in between. When we put force into that joint, we're actually causing the temporary separation of that joint, and then it comes back together. When it separates, there's a temporary decompression, right? Or a negative pressure that's created. That negative pressure results in some of the gases that are normally dissolved in solution come out of solution, create a bubble. That bubble is what actually creates the popping or the cracking sound that you hear when you do that or when you get an adjustment. What it is not, it is not the snapping or disruption of any soft tissue like a ligament or a tendon or a muscle, which I think some people may be under the impression of. So if you know anybody who's squeamish about the adjustment, help them out with some of that science there, because I'd hate for people to miss out on the benefits of chiropractic just because they're a little bit nervous about the actual process of getting adjusted. So I hope that helps. I hope that you guys are adapting to our continually changing world and really making time for caring for your body and caring for your mind on a regular basis, so we continue to stay healthy. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at Foundation Chiropractic. We do still have our summer massage special going on. That's going to happen for an additional week. So September 25th is the last day for that summer massage special. You buy 5, you get that 6th one for free. So if you've been thinking about taking advantage of that, you got just a little bit of time left. Again, hope everybody's doing well. Dr. Grant here, Foundation Chiropractic. Let's build a strong foundation and reclaim your health.